Hello, today I'm going to show you a quick way to get a copy of your unofficial transcript using your Vanguard student portal. To get started on a new tab, at the top we're going to type in mycampus.asub.edu. Once that loads, at the right, we're going to click Login, then click Student Portal homepage. Before the Student Portal homepage, it's going to ask you to sign in using your student username and password, which your username is always going to be your first name, period last name, followed by whatever password you set. Once we're on the front page, we're going to go to the left to where it says Academics, click on it, and then scroll down to where it says Degree Audit, then click on that. Once the Degree Audit page appears, under the Reports tab, we are going to click on Unofficial Transcript. Once you click Unofficial Transcript, a prompt is going to appear asking if you want to save or open this. For this example, I'm just going to open it. Once opened, a new window should appear showing your unofficial transcript. If this window does not appear, please refer to my previous video on how to disable your pop-up blocker on whichever browser you use. Now you can save this unofficial transcript to print. That is how to access your unofficial transcript using your Vanguard student portal. If you have any other questions, please feel free to come by the Vanguard Technical Support Center, give us a call, or send us an email. Thank you, and have a great day.